questions with absolute value, problem type 2. Okay, absolute value symbols are the ones that actually look like they're going straight up and down. And we have several embedded in these. I'm actually going to just take a moment and highlight the absolute value symbols so that you can see what's going on while I'm teaching. So I've got the outside symbols and I have inside symbols like this. And it can help if you have the ability to do this. It actually kind of visually helps you sort things out so that you can see what you're doing. Because otherwise you're going to think those are, when you get to working, you're going to think they're the number 1 or something. Now these don't have any outside symbols that put them all together. Okay, so in order to do these, I'm going to do the purple ones. You work from the inside out, so you do the purple absolute value first. So in this first one here, I just have a 4. In the second one, 6 take away 5 is 1. And then this negative in the middle, I'm going to bring it down. So I still have the green absolute value symbols. So 4 take away 1 is 3. Now, absolute value represents the number from 0, the distance from 0 on a number line. So distances can never be negative, which is why absolute values, the answers are never negative. So that doesn't apply here because it's a positive 3 inside. If that were a negative 3 inside, my answer would still be positive 3. Okay, so for this one, you work from the inside out. So I have an 11. On this one, 4 take away 7 is negative 3. But see how that's inside absolute value symbols? So I'm just going to write down a 3. Because you don't write down a negative when there's absolute value symbols. Now this is considered subtraction. So I am going to write that down. So I still have the green absolute value symbols. 11 take away 3 is 8. And the absolute value of 8, just keeping it all positive, is 8. This next one, 5 take away 15 is negative 10, but because it's the absolute value of negative 10, you change it to a positive 10. This one, the absolute value of negative 9 is 9, and then you've got a minus, a subtraction in the middle. So at this point, we've gotten rid of the absolute value symbols because we didn't have any extra ones on the outside like the previous problems. So this is just 10 take away 9, which is 1.